We're making dinner again today. I got this recipe off TikTok. I was gonna make chicken. I didn't know what to do with it, so I had to go get the rest of the ingredients for this recipe. It's chicken cordon bleu casserole. We'll see how it tastes, because I really don't like Swiss cheese, but I like chicken cordon bleu. So I was gonna get a different cheese, but I just decided to get Swiss.